Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable automatic captions in Premiere Pro. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open Adobe Premiere Pro and load your project. Navigate to the sequence where you want to disable captions. Look for the window menu at the top of the screen. Click on Window to reveal the drop-down options. Select Captions from the drop-down menu. This will open the Captions panel in your workspace. In the Captions panel, locate the track section. You will find a list of your caption tracks there. Click on the caption track you want to disable. With the track selected, look for the Toggle Track Output button. This button resembles an eye icon. Click the eye icon to disable the caption track. You will notice the caption track is now inactive. If you need to disable automatic captions for the entire sequence, navigate to the timeline. Locate the captions track that is automatically generated. Right-click on the captions track to access the context menu. Select Delete to remove the automatic captions. Confirm the deletion when prompted. Your timeline will now be free of automatic captions. You can proceed with your editing without the captions being displayed. Save your project to ensure all changes are preserved. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.